Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning how to compare geometry. I've got two imported parts open in my graphic area, and I've just tiled them so you can see them both at the same time. Let's go to Tools, Compare, this time select Geometry. Let's click on Options. We've got a tab for Geometry, and here there are three tabs: General, Color, and Report. The first box lets us check the docks before running the geometric comparison. We can check here to compare faces as well, and check here to compare volume. On the Color tab, we define colors for the various comparison results: unique faces, modified faces, common volume, material removed and added. The Report tab you're familiar with. Let's cancel out for now. Now select our parts. Let's check the Align Parts option. Currently, only the global coordinate system is available. Let's click Run Comparison. And here's our results. We've got two sections for the results: volume and face comparison. Let's begin by taking a look at the volume comparison. If we click the glasses icon, we will see first the material removed, the material added, and the common volume. If we check this last option here, Keep Bodies on Close, then we'll keep the bodies after the Compare window is closed. Let's take a look at the face comparison. Click the glasses to see unchanged faces, the unique faces, 17 of them, and modified faces. And once again, we can check here to keep the colors on close. Let's select Volume Comparison again and check Keep Bodies on Close to see what that looks like. Now let's exit Compare mode and take a look at our design tree. Here we've got some new folders. These actually should be three folders at the same level instead of nested within the common volume folder, so that might be some kind of glitch in SOLIDWORKS. Let's just drag them up to reorder them. We've got material removed as well as material added. Let's suppress the material added. And from here, we can manipulate the solid using the SOLIDWORKS tools. This concludes our video about comparing geometry.